Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing origami closet model. Let me show it to you how it looks. So here, this is how it looks. This is the origami closet model. You have this cap which opens, so this itself is a storage box, and this thing opens like this. You have 4 storage boxes in here, as you can see. This is how it looks, and it folds very easily into a square shape or rectangular shape, and then you can close it like this. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this closet model, we'll need square piece of paper. We'll need 4 such square pieces of paper. We can pick different colors. This square piece size is 10 x 10 centimeters. And next we'll need a rectangular piece of paper. This is 15 x 8 centimeters, and I have folded it into 4 parts. As you can see, there are 4 creases over here. Yeah, so 2 centimeter, this is 15 centimeters, this is 8 centimeters, and we have folded it into 4 parts, 4 sections basically. So each of our closet box will come over here like this, and it will go on in this fashion. Then we'll need one more square piece of paper. This will be for the cap or the top portion of the closet. This is 11.2 x 11.2 centimeters. Since the cap requires slightly larger space, hence we take 11.2 centimeters. So first let's begin with this. So for this you need to make small boxes first. So first we'll just fold it along the horizontal axis. Then we'll fold it along the vertical axis. Make a smaller square. Now you have 4 flaps, so you pick one flap and fold it like this. Similarly, you do it on this side. Now open this, it opens from this side, you open it and then fold it back again inwards. And then you will be left with 2 flaps, one on this side and one on other side. This is very simple and easy to make closet, and it's very useful actually to keep small stuffs like some beads or some needles. You can put a lot of those stuffs in these closets. So this is how it looks when you open it. Now we fold this portion till the center like this. Similarly, we do it on this side. Open it back. You get 2 horizontal or 2 vertical creases. We hold it this way, it's 2 horizontal creases. So we fold it on this side as well. This forms 2 horizontal creases. Now you need to fold this portion here like this. Just press it properly till this point. Basically you have a square crease over here. Till this point you need to press it, slightly press it, so that you get a fold over there on all the corners. Now let's open this like this. 2 flaps, you'll open 2 flaps. We'll keep 2 as it is, and then we'll refold this portion. Similarly here. Now we apply some glue at this point. Let me get some glue. Just minor slight so that this sticks and it doesn't come out. Now you have these flaps like this, keep it like this, and then you'll have these creases over here. If you can see, all you need to do is hold it like this, fold it like this, and then fold it inwards, and then tap it at this glue point so that it doesn't come out. See, it's very easy. Similarly, we do it on this side. You hold it with your index fingers and thumb like this. You have the creases made already, so all you need to do is just fold it inwards, press it, and then tap it here. And this is a small box ready for our closet. Similarly, we'll need 3 more such boxes. So I have those already made, different colors. So this is how it looks. Now this sheet, right, we have it this, so we'll stick each of this closet like this. So let me show it to you here like this. So one will come here in this section, second will come here so that it folds properly, second will come like this, third will come like this, and fourth will come like this. Stick these properly in each section in this ladder form so that it folds properly to form a one rectangular box. Otherwise it may not close properly, hence you need to stick this very carefully. So I'll stick this later. Let me keep these aside. Now for the cap, we make one more box. This is 11.2 centimeters 11.2 centimeter cross 11.2 centimeters square box, square piece of paper. So we'll be making a square box with this similar thing which we just did right now. You need to fold it first along the horizontal crease, then along the vertical crease. The colors, you can pick any color according to your wish. That way the closet will look really more beautiful, colorful. Same thing we are repeating. Basically we are making one more similar small box for the cap. So I'm not explaining the instructions each one like this, but then yeah, it's the same thing. It's exactly the same thing which I'm doing, which I just did earlier. Here we fold it like this. Open and back, fold it again on this side. Open them back, and then you have these edges properly tapped or make proper creases here. And then you open 2 flaps, fold it like this here. You open this flap, fold it like this here. Now apply some glue. And then use your index and thumb fingers. Fold it like this. Similarly on this side. This box should be slightly bigger than this. This will actually go inside this, if you see it, see. So now let's stick these boxes at appropriate location as I mentioned, and I'll be back. So guys, here we are back. I have sticked it properly in the ladder fashion. Now all you need to do is just close it slowly like this. Excuse me. And here we'll be putting our cap box. So Yeah, all you need to do is just slightly align it and then place it. So this is our origami closet. So once you remove this, you will have these closet boxes. I have a lot of rubber bands. I bought these for my next origami model, which will be soon coming off. So I can keep these rubber bands in these closets because they spread a lot around. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned.